Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a quick product I just ordered it's called TheDisplayGuys. This who has like jewelry products, the display products like boxes and things like that. These are a case of 100 jewelry boxes. They're cardboard jewelry boxes with a little cotton inside, and they have different colors available and different size of the boxes inside. Let me just show you what I got, and you can decide what you want. This is just the what I received, and these are smaller jewelry boxes here. I just want to show you the size of these. These are small ones, but the quality is not bad. I have to say, there's different colors available. There's black and silver and gold and brown, all that kind of stuff. And different size boxes have different prices. So just be aware of that when you're ordering them. I got a case of 100, as you can see here. This is how they come. But I want to show you the quality is excellent. I want to just see the quality is excellent. And every box has this little tiny piece of cotton in here, like a little protection to make the jewelry look nice presentation, and also give it some protection during either shipping or as giving as a gift. Again, modern design. Paper quality is decent. The box is decent. I like using these boxes, honestly, because when I put small pieces of either jewelry or any kind of, it could be gears, electronics, anything small that you need a box for, I use these all the time, not just for jewelry, but for all kinds of stuff, because I like a good sturdy box that's got to stand up to be crushed. And this is actually pretty good. You really have to really stomp on this to crush it. So it gives you some protection. And then I put this in a bubble mailer, and I ship a lot of parts using these little jewelry boxes. So this is what I have. And this is just an example of this is the black one. You could just see all around how it's made. It's got the two-piece cover with the cotton insert. Again, there's different sizes available in different quantity amounts. You can get 25, you can get 100. I got 100. You can get 25 or 100, and that's the pack. And different colors and different sizes. Now, every different size, of course, is a different price. So make sure you look at that. Make sure you know what you're doing. But this is the quality. The quality is excellent, and I think I'm definitely going to recommend these because I look for little boxes on time. It's hard to find them on different colors and different configurations. Again, these are the smaller ones. This is 1 by 6 by 1 inch. I'm sorry, let's start that again. It's 2.6 inches by 1.6 by 1. So let's look at that together. So 2.6 long, okay, 1.6 wide, and 1 inch the thickness here. That's the size of this box. And there's different sizes. They have 3.3 and 3.5. You know, you get the idea. So take a look. I think this is definitely going to recommend these. So going to give these definitely a buy. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow the channel right here, Your Review Channel. We do all kind of product reviews, give you ideas on items, so that way when you're looking, you know it's a good quality. And I'm telling you, these are good quality. I've been buying jewelry boxes for a long time, and these are definitely a good quality and a pretty good price too. So I'm going to give that a buy in my book. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow this channel for more videos just like this. Appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.